your hands. Now 1 foot in, 1 foot in, out, out. 1 foot in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and sit down. Good job. Let's have a sit. Have a sit. Now 2 feet. 2 feet in, 2 feet out. 2 feet in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and stand up, stand up, stand up. Now your head. Farm animals. Yes, do you know about farm animals like cow, pig, horse? What else? Sheep, duck, rooster. Farm animals. Look, I have small parachute. Small one. Small. Just lay it here on the floor. And in this bag, we have animals. Let's take them out. Now, let's go. Wow! Look, this is horse. Horse, neigh. Horse, neigh. Look, yes, let me say horse.
Horse.
Neigh. And let's put horse here, and I put it. Then we'll hold the parachute. Good. And we'll say, and then horse. Good. Yes, look. You are holding parachute and horse. And horse will fly up like this. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. Horse. Where is the horse? It was under. Good. Thank you. Well, let's do it one more time. Horse. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. Horse. And last time. Horse. Where is the horse? Oh, thank you. So, yes, now let's take out another one, another animal. Not horse, but... Huh? Did you? Let's go. Wow, look, this is ship. And do you know what sound does sheep make? Meow, meow, meow. Woof, woof, woof. What? Ba, right. Sheep make this sound. Ba, right? This is ship. Look, we will say that's ships. Ship. Good. Hold the parachute. Ready? Steady. Let's go. Ship. Where's the ship? Okay, let's hold the parachute. Milan, get you ready? Steady. Ship. Where's the ship? Oh, ship was on the back. Mouse. Where's the mouse? Oh, it's behind. Yes. Okay, yes. Let's put it on the parachute and practice mouse one more time. Ready? Steady. Let's go. Mouse. Where's the mouse? Where's the duck? Duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. We will sing the duck. Let's hold the parachute. Ready? Steady. Let's go. The duck. Where's duck? Oh, it was behind the line. Let's put it on the parachute. And one more time. Ready? Steady. Let's go. The duck. Where's the duck? Where's duck? Is already again nearby. Mouse, right? Mouse. And you, Milan, let's put it on the top. Mouse. Then we'll use another cup. 1, then 2. Cup number 2. And yes, do you remember, Milan, what animal? Ship, right? Ship. Yes, good. Let's put ship on the top. Ship. Next cup. And this is horse. Huh? Horse. Good. Horse. Boom, boom. Another cup. And look, this is pig. Oink, 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 oink. Pig. Yes, let's put pig on the top. Good. Pig. Next one. We got cow. Right? Yeah, 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is cow. Cow. Yes. Cow. Good. Good. Oh. You're strong, girls. Well, let's put cow on the top. Cow. cow. Right. One more cup. And last one. Oh, it's dangerous, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And this is rooster. Rooster. Good. Let's put rooster on the top. Now. Oh. Hey. It's not stable. I don't know why. Good. Now, stop. Now we will count from top to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then blow. But first of all, let's count. Okay? Ready? Set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blow. And let's clean up. Clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Wow, good job. High fives. Oh, no. This comes closer. And now, let's sing a song. We'll sing a song. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar?
He took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Hey,
Who, me? Yes, you.
no, me, the fool.
Horse.
Where is horse? Horse.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar?
Horse
Took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me, the fool. Who?
Rooster.
Rooster. Is rooster? Yes, rooster.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Rooster took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me, the fool.
Sheep.
Sheep. Where's sheep? Sheep. Duck. Pig. Cow. Mouse. Rooster. Spider. Oh, spider really good, you. Well, my friends. Cow. Pig. Good. Have this bell. Go back by tunnel. And yes, now it's your chance. Let's go. This is the duck. Sheep. Cow. Pig. Good job. Tap this bell. And go back by this tunnel. Go back. Go back. Good job. Good. High fives. Let's review these animals one more time. This is the duck. This is sheep. This is horse. Good. Cow. This is pig. Oh, job. Oh.
Hot.
Cold.
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yes. No. Yes and no. Yes and no. Yes. No.
Good morning.
Now, good morning.
Good morning.
Good night. Good morning. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Good morning. Good night. Good morning. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Right. Let's close our eyes like this. Count 1, 2, 3, and then we'll have a break. Okay? Let's close our eyes. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Открыли глаз. У нас сейчас будет небольшая переменка, а потом мы продолжим. Хорошо? 1, 3. Open. Open your eyes. And with the ears. And with the what is? Mouth. 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 Good. This is nose. Right. Yeah, my friends. I want to sing a song. Let's go to the zoo and we will act like different animals. We will stomp like elephant. Also, we will jump like kangaroo. Jump. We will swing like monkey. Also, we will waddle like penguin. Waddle. we will slither like snakes. And we will swim like polar bear. Jump like a kangaroo. To the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Let's say kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo. Kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. And kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Now we will swim like monkey. Go to the zoo and swim like the monkeys do. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the monkeys do. Let's say monkey. 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 Okay, now let's waddle like penguin. Snake. Okay, and finally, let's swim like polar bear. Let's go, let's swim. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the polar bears do. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the polar bears do. Let's say polar bear. Good. Green. Next one, what color is it?
Yellow.
It's yellow. Good. Next one, what color is it? Blue. Good. This is red. Yellow. And last one. Red. Good job. Good job. High five. High five. High five. Good. And let's count how many bowling pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bowling pins, right? Let's put cards on like this in front. Whoa! 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, let's put cards in front of the bowling pin. This is monkey, right? Monkey will be here. Next one. This is polar bear. Polar bear will be right here. That's a mess. It's fall down. Well, next one. This is oh, elephant. Elephant. Good. Elephant will be right here. Next one. Kangaroo. Kangaroo will be here on the right side. And this is roll. Snake. Whoa, 2 cards fall down. What are they? This is polar bear. Penguin. Penguin. Okay, yes, let's go. Now it's your time. Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, roll. Let's roll. Let's roll this ball and make a strike. Good. Oh, look, we got monkey, kangaroo, steady, polar bear. Good. One step forward. Let's go. Ready, steady, tiger, run away. Good job. Let's play one more time. Yes, it was tiger. Well, ready, steady, monkey. Good job. One step forward. Шажочек вперед делайте. Ближе. Хорошо? Чтобы было интереснее. Ага. Well, ready, steady, kangaroo. Good job. One step forward. Let's go. Well, ready, steady, elephant. Good job. Are you ready? Steady, snake. Good job. Are you ready? Steady. Nothing. Nothing. Well, you ready? Steady. Tiger. Good job, my friends. Well, now let's clean up. Let's take this. I will take bowling pins. You will take these cards and place them one by one. Cards. Good job. Wow. Thank you. Wow, thank you. Walking, hop, hop, hop. ha. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop.
Now let's stop. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Let's swing,
Swimming, 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 swimming. Now let's sleep. Now let's sleep.
wake up, wake up. Let's stay down. And now let's walk. Let's go fast.
Okay.
Walking, walking, hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop.
Now let's stop.
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. So you have to say, I like pink. I like green. Let's inflate them one by one and let's count 1, 2, 3. Okay? But you will inflate, you will count 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ready? Then let's go. Whoa, look, it's a big green balloon, right? Big. Okay. Put it here nearby. Now let's inflate pink balloon for Yasa. Okay? Let's count with him. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ready? Steady? Let's go. Whoa, big green balloon for yes, and big green balloon for no. You can say thank you. Thank you. And now let's draw eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Let's draw. When pig's nose, like pig. This nose. Okay, look, should be one circle, one big circle like this. One circle, one big circle like this. It's a nose. Nose. Yes, let's draw nose. Here's the marker. Hold it. And draw circle, big circle. And those. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nose. Okay. And now, yes, let's draw. 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 hair plus my 10, so 29. Well, then let's draw hair. And you will count 1, 2, 3. Okay? Make it 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. No. You have to count 1. 1. 13. Good. 13. Maybe I will add 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, I'm